Want to know how to make an AI agent generate a workflow plan? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily make an AI agent that can easily generate your workflow plan in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up your AgentGPT website. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now make sure you are under the AgentGPT's homepage, where you should be on the deployment tab. So you can just simply name the AgentGPT anything. So once you have named your AgentGPT, on the prompt just simply type in this. Now you can just simply select enter, and now you can just simply start generating. And once it is done, as you can see right here, it has started generating your agent for you, and that's it. After a while, it should execute you and give you your desired output. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.